Hello, today's date is October the 26th. This is for the juniors and the seniors. My juniors, we have gone back to our lesson before dying rough draft. We're turning in the final of this paper on Thursday, which is tomorrow, the 27th. We have taken this paper and used it as our anchor paper. It started off as a narrative, and now we're using some of our MLA standards before we began our informational standards. Here's the assignment again, which has also been posted on Blackboard under class YouTubes. I've used the assignment sheet again to remind students about the MLA format. We went through our revision checklist for informational writing, and we're going through each step of the checklist for self-checking, and then before we turn the final copy in, we're going to have a peer to go through and talk about the main strengths of the writing and what can be done to upgrade the actual paper before they turn this in. The students on Friday are going to work on articles of the week, and that will be further explained to them on Friday in the library. The seniors have been learning two other strategies to go with informational text. One is chunking, where they look at the different headings of an article for informational text. They write down the headings, and then they use that to summarize the different facts in the actual article. And then charting is where they write a short summary, sentence, and a verb to describe what the author is actually doing in the text. They read a story called Who Killed Benny Parrott, and then today they read a story called A Peaceful Woman Explains Why She Carries a Gun, where they're using the actual strategy of chunking and charting. We have some grammar things that we've been working on, like run-on sentences, commas, transitions, and verb tense, and we're going to use those in the actual readings that we've been doing. Next week, the seniors are going to look at one of the organizational strategies of informational text and writing, and that is cause and effect. And then they will be working on a bigger research assignment where they get to choose a cause and effect topic, and we will go back over MLA criteria so that they can do this actual assignment. The juniors will represent to me their slideshows that they did for the Innocence Project, and they will pick a day to present. That will be next week. It'll take us about 4 days, and some of my bigger classes will probably take 5 days, and that'll be worth 100 points, and that'll take us right into a midterm for second quarter. If you have any questions, please let me know.